Now we're going to make this super simple upcycled mini wreath. So let's get started. I'm starting with my little grapevine wreath, and then I'm going to take my satin ribbon and I'm just going to kind of slide it in here. And just to be absolutely sure, I'm going to take one of my Zots and I'm just going to kind of put that on there so that my ribbon stays in place. Then I'm going to bring this around, and as in all of our videos, we have all the measurements below, and we also have links to where you can purchase the items that I'm using in the video. I'm just going to bring this around here and just bring it back here, bring it one more time around, and I'm just going to take another one of my Zots, which these are my favorite adhesive dots because they really work well. They're semi-permanent. So I've got this right here. I'm going to stick my wreath aside, take my Bodabra, and what's cool is this is ribbon that we just cut from another bow that we'd made but weren't using anymore. So I just took it apart. I'm going to take my Bodabra bow wire, fold it in half, and cut it. And then just lay this into my Bodabra, tuck the ends underneath so it stays out of my way. Now this ribbon I've just dovetailed, so all I do to dovetail is I'm gonna fold it in half, and I'm just gonna cut from the fold to the corner at a diagonal, and that gives you your great little dovetail. So I'm gonna stick this in first, and take this piece, and you can't upcycle ribbon. I mean, you can't recycle ribbon. So that's why I love using my Bodabra to upcycle ribbon from different bows and different things that we've made. And then I'll take this velvet ribbon, and I'm just gonna put this in the center, and you can change this out for every season. Now, if you're watching for the first time, or even if you're a regular, please click the subscribe button below, and also let me know what kind of bows you'd like to see me make in the future. So now I'm gonna take this, and also look below and see how you can enter our monthly giveaway. And these, again, are just pieces of arrangement, and I just cut them off. I'm just gonna lay these down in here. This is a total upcycle project. And then we're just gonna lay this down in here and bring it through here, pull it through the slip knot, put tight on, still in. So what's cool is because you're reusing everything, this costs you virtually nothing to make, but it can make a really nice hostess gift, you know, or just gift for a friend. So I'll pull that tight, and I'm gonna tie a knot. And then I'm gonna take the wreath, and I'm going to just tie this onto my wreath, and just gonna tie a knot, and double knot, and clip the ends, and just shape it out by just pulling the ribbon in opposite directions. So it just kind of fans out. I'm gonna do the same with the red ribbon. So it all just fans out. And you have this absolutely stunning mini wreath, all made from scraps. I hope you enjoyed. Please click the subscribe button below and follow us on Facebook. I'll look forward to seeing you in my next video.